Hey, lard ass. I done brought my fat ass over here to Burger King to get the SpongeBob meal. So let's do it. Yo.
Go ahead with your order.
Yes, can I do that bikini bottom bundle?
Anything else for you?
No, that'll be it. But can I do the large pineapple float?
It's only coming one size. With that bundle, only coming one size.
Okay. What size we coming with the bundle?
A medium size.
Okay, that's cool. Can I get everything fresh? I don't mind waiting for it.
$16.95.
All right. Why do fast food workers catch a fucking attitude when you ask for your food fresh? Like, you can't even acknowledge the fact that I asked for my food fresh. See, something told me in my spirit this was a bad idea. What's going on, y'all? We trying the new bikini bottom meal from Burger King. Inspired by the one and only SpongeBob, his goddamn self. You heard me? Yo. Burger King, if y'all watch this, DM me so we can talk business. Business. Yo.
$16.95.
This is the pineapple float you get. Ooh. Yo. Appreciate it. Yeah. We secured the bag. Yo. Yo, that's right. I got my hands on the brand new SpongeBob Bikini Bottom bundle, goddammit. Let's see. Yo. Are you ready, kids? Aye, aye, Captain. Yo. SpongeBob. Krabby Whopper. Yo. The Mr. Krabs cheesy bacon tots. Yo. For dessert, you get the Patrick Starberry shortcake pie. And to guzzle all this shit down with your big fat ass, you get a pineapple float, and that looks delicious. Smell good too. Ooh, I'm ashy. Yo. The Krabby Whopper. Let's see what we got. All this lettuce. Feast your eyes on that. The Krabby Patty Whopper. Come on, yellow bun. Man, I ain't had a Whopper in so long. Mmm. Mmm. I don't taste cheese. No cheese? Damn, no cheese? SpongeBob don't like cheese? How the hell he get so wide if he don't like cheese? Mmm. That's kind of troublesome if you ask me. Since when SpongeBob big, wide, fat, big back, don't like cheese? Whoppers can't do no wrong. The cheesy bacon. Who was there? Cheesy bacon bites. Tots. That's delicious. Oh, I like them that potato and cheese and bacon. Yeah, that's fine. The bacon and cheddar tots, they get a 9. My Whopper ain't got no cheese on it, and I didn't know I was gonna have to add it. Maybe that's my fault for forgetting. We're gonna go with the 8.5 for the Whopper. You can't go wrong with a Whopper. Just wish I had cheese. Yo. Oh shit, that pineapple flow good. Ooh. Uh-huh. Going with a 9 on that pineapple float. 9 on that pineapple float, goddammit. Shout out to SpongeBob and them for doing their motherfucking thing. Oh, and this bag is pretty dope too. Come on, packaging. Burger King, hit me up. Call me. So y'all letting SpongeBob run shit over there. Cheesy bacon sauce is fire. Oh, and last but not least, we are trying the Patrick Starr's berry shortcake pie. Yo, my fat ass, I'm excited. Let's see. Ooh, it's pretty. That's the berry shortcake pie. Oh, that's good. It got a berry filling in it. Hold on, let me get some of this crust too. You know, black folks love the crust. Hell yeah. Oh shit, wait a minute. It's almost as good as the Hershey pie. Hold on now. It's light but fluffy, sweet. Got the sweet berry like filling in it. Yeah, that's fine. Hell yeah, get into that filling in there. Y'all see that? Mmm. 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 Don't. For the berry shortcake pie, we're going with an 8.5 out of 10. Mmm. Mm-hmm. Yeah, that's delicious. That's the fuck I'm talking about, SpongeBob. SpongeBob SquarePants. SpongeBob SquarePants. Yo. If your fat ass watched this video to the end, make sure you follow me on Facebook, BeBlackJesus, Instagram, _BeBlackJesus. Subscribe to my YouTube channel too, goddammit. It's Black Jesus TV. Yo.